CanWest is much more than just a concrete cutting company. We offer a wide variety of services to help you get your project done with just one phone call. Asphalt milling is a procedure done when an existing asphalt area is in need of repair. Instead of having to completely remove and replace the asphalt, the top surface can be milled off and a fine layer of asphalt is then poured. CanWest is equipped to do both the milling and all of the removal off-site. We have 3 types of milling machines to fit any type of job from small to large. Our Workin W50 is used for small jobs or when working in tight areas and for precision work like butt joints or around manholes. A skid steer with a variety of attachments is also useful in small, hard-to-reach areas or for small jobs. Attaching our Vermeer trenching wheel allows us to dig trenches easily, quickly, and accurately. For larger jobs, we have a CAT PM102, which will mill 1 meter wide. We can do about 3,000 square meters a day at 15 millimeter depth. Call the professionals. Call CanWest 403-225-4445 or visit us on the web www.canwestconcrete.com.